In our family, my mother was a very good actress, singer, and my sister, but she died in 2000.
Sorry.
Just one accident. She was a great actress in Assam. I'm from Assam.
You are from Assam.
I'm from India, but I'm from Assam. That's a different state there, and we have a very different culture there. And
Tell me where Assam is.
Assam is known for tea. You can find tea it's
Assam
written
tea.
the Assam tea, because we produce the highest number of teas from Assam. And oil, tea, oil and coals. Three things. Coals, yeah.
What does that mean?
Coal.
Coal?
Coal that we burn it.
Oh, coals.
Coal,
I'm sorry.
yeah.
Okay. So these are the three things Assam is
yeah.
very famous.
And Assam, another thing is there, it's famous for rhinos. One-horned rhinos, only you can find in Assam. There's a Kaziranga National Park. That's the biggest thing there.
We're famous place there.
Yes, Assam is always famous.
So tell
I'm
me,
just helping it.
so tell me, when your song was out, the minute was people start hearing your voice.
See,
Tell me the change. Tell me when you walked in.
the change,
how did you feel?
I'll tell you. My first album was Anamika, and I did it in 1992 when I was only 19 years old. And I did my first album there. I was a musician.